In this video, we're going to explore the difference between local and global NPM installations. Understanding this distinction is crucial for managing your Node.js projects effectively. Let's dive in and clarify when to use each type of installation. Node Package Manager, often called NPM, is indispensable for JavaScript developers. Let's find out how to use it correctly. So, what exactly is an NPM installation? NPM, which stands for Node Package Manager, allows you to easily install JavaScript packages and dependencies for your Node.js projects. These packages are essentially collections of code that you can use to add functionality to your projects without having to write everything from scratch. Packages can be installed in two different scopes, either locally within a project or globally on your system. Let's start with local installation. Packages installed locally are available only within the current project directory. This means that the package and its dependencies are stored in a folder called node_modules, which is located inside your project's root directory. To install a package locally, you typically use the command npm install, followed by the package name. For example, npm install express. After running this command, you'll see a node_modules folder created in your project, containing the Express package. Now let's discuss global installation. Packages installed globally are available system-wide, meaning they can be accessed from any directory on your computer. This type of installation is typically used for command line interface tools and utilities that you want to use across multiple projects. To install a package globally, you use the command npm install with the G flag, followed by the package name. For example, npm install gnodemon. Global packages are usually stored in a system directory. On Unix-like systems, this might be /usr/local/lib/node_modules. Let's summarize the key differences between local and global installations. Local packages are project-specific, meaning they are only available within the project they are installed in. They are stored in the node_modules folder of your project. Local installations also allow for version isolation, meaning different projects can use different versions of the same package without conflicts. You typically require local packages from your code using the require or import statements. Global packages, on the other hand, have system-wide availability. They are installed once and can be used from anywhere on your system. Global installations are typically used for command line interface tools and utilities. You access global packages from the command line. So, when should you use local installation? You should use local installation for project dependencies and libraries, such as Express, React, or Lodash. These are the packages that your project needs to run and function correctly. You should also use local installation for development tools that are specific to your project, such as Webpack or Babel. This ensures that each project has its own set of tools and dependencies. Finally, you should use local installation when you need version control and isolation between projects. This prevents conflicts and ensures that each project can use the specific versions of packages that it requires. Now let's talk about when to use global installation. You should use global installation for command line interface tools and command line utilities, such as Nodemon, PM2, or Create React App. These are the tools that you use from the command line to perform tasks such as running your application, managing processes, or creating new projects. You should also use global installation for development utilities that are used across multiple projects. This allows you to access these tools from any project without having to install them separately for each one. Finally, you should use global installation for tools that need to be accessible from any directory on your system. To wrap things up, let's talk about some best practices for NPM installations. As a general rule, it's best to default to local installation for project dependencies and libraries. This ensures that your projects are isolated and that you have control over the versions of packages they use. You should only use global installation for command line interface tools and utilities that you want to use across multiple projects. By following these best practices, you can ensure that your Node.js projects are well managed and that you avoid potential conflicts. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.